Dear students, most welcome to all of you. As you know that today we are going to start our lesson 13, which is a poem, Planets Roll Call. In this poem, the poet has given the description, shape and size of all the 8 planets in our solar system in a very interesting method and in a chronology, in serial by serial, that which is the first planet. It means first means which is the closest to the sun and which is the farthermost. Now let's read the poem, and we have just to keep our focus on the names, qualities and places, distances from the sun and in which order they are being placed. 8 planets around the sun, listen as I call each one. 8 planets around the sun, listen as I call each one. Mercury here number 1, closest planet to the sun. Venus here number 2, shining bright just like new. Earth here number 3, Earth is home to you and me. Mars here number 4, red and ready to explore. Jupiter here number 5, largest planet, that's no jive. Saturn here number 6, with rings of dust and ice that mix. Uranus here number 7, a planet tilted high in heaven. Neptune here number 8, with one dark spot whose size is great. This is a small poem but very important, as the planets have been given in an order way according to the distance from the sun. Mercury here number 1, closest planet to the sun. Venus here number 2, shining bright just like new. Venus is the most shining, most brightest of the planets, so it looks just like new. Earth here number 3, Earth is home to you and me. Mars here number 4, red and ready to explore. The color of Mars, as we know, that is red, and it's ready to explore. It means our scientists are making prepare to reach the Mars. Jupiter here number 5, largest planet, that's no jive. We know that Jupiter is the largest of all the planets. That's no jive. It means that this is the truth and there is no joke here. Saturn here number 6, with rings of dust and ice that mix. Saturn comes on number 6, which have some rings around its surroundings, that is a mixture of dust and ice. Uranus here number 7, a planet tilted high in heaven. Neptune here number 8, with one dark spot whose size is great. Neptune is the farthermost planet and it's number 8 from the distance of the sun, which has a dark spot whose size is great. In this way the poem completes, and the description of all the 8 planets have been given here. I hope you will also recite the poem 3 to 4 times, and you will also record your own voice notes and post it on the group for practice. After completing the text, there are some questions also which are based on the text, and I think that these questions are also can be solved very easily because they are factual one, not descriptive. Question number 1, how many planets are there in the solar system? How many planets are there in the solar system? I think you can answer the question very easily, that there are 8 planets in the solar system named Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Name the planet closest to the sun. Here the poet is asking that which planet is the closest to the sun. you know very well that Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars is the right answer, because Mars is known as the red planet. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? You know very well that Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. What are Saturn's rings made of? Saturn's rings are made of with a mixture of dust and ice rings. How much time do the sun's rays take to travel from the space to the earth? This question is from the basis of your general knowledge. How much time do the sun's rays take to travel from the space to the earth? We know that it takes about 8 minutes to travel from the sun's outer ring to the earth. Who was the first person to reach space? We know that Neil Armstrong and Yuri Gagarin, but perhaps Neil Armstrong will be the right answer, who was the first person to reach the space. In this way, there are 7 questions which can be answered very easily by you. You will also note the questions in your notebook with their answers. In word power section, fill in the blanks by writing facts about the planet on which you live. The name of my planet is, obviously you know, it is Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, because first one is Mercury and second one is Venus. Earth comes on the number 3. My planet is between Venus and Mars. Rearrange the letters to get the names of all the planets in our solar system. There are 8 spellings have been given in a disorder way. You have to arrange them and write the correct spelling, their names on your notebook. I think you will do it properly, and you will post it on the group also. In this way, I think the poem comes to an end. You read the poem twice and thrice and record your own voice. Make the questions complete with their answers, word power, and also the name practice exercise of the planets, and post it on the group.